Did you know that you could set your own shortcuts into the Audi MMI? Save a radio station or a place or address, contacts from your phone or your favorite Audi tools. Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to set and adjust your favorite shortcuts and where to find them. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start your Audi and go to the Audi MMI menu. Would you like to set your favorite Audi tool as a shortcut? In this demo we will show you how to set a shortcut to the Audi ambient lighting. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Lights and Vision. Press and hold background lighting until new notification will pop up. Click on Store as Shortcut. Your shortcut will now be saved and a new notification will confirm it. Would you like to set your favorite address or place as a shortcut? Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Navigation. Click on Search and type the address or place to your preference. Press and hold the address or place that you would like to set as a shortcut until a new notification will pop up. Click on Store as Shortcut. Your shortcut will now be saved and a new notification will confirm it. Would you like to set your favorite radio station as a shortcut? Go to the radio station that you would like to set as a shortcut. Click and hold the radio station to your preference until a new notification will pop up. Click on Store as Shortcut. Your shortcut will now be saved and a new notification will confirm it. If you already have your favorite radio station on, you can also click on More. Via this menu you can also store your favorite radio station as a shortcut. To access the installed shortcuts, go to the display below. Click on a button with squares and the menu with your favorite shortcuts will be shown. Would you like to change the ranking of your shortcuts? Press and hold the shortcut that you would like to have elsewhere and drag it to the correct place. The shortcut will now be positioned in a place to your preference. If you would like to delete a shortcut, click on the cross and the shortcut will be removed. Click on Done if you're finished. In addition to these shortcuts, you can also change the app layout of the Audi MMI menu, including the 5 shortcut apps on the left side. Click and hold an app until the menu layout changes. You can now click and hold the item to your preference and drag it to the place you would like to. Click on Done if you're finished. Thank you for watching this video, thumbs up if you liked this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.